We make financial products. I mostly work on Node.js. I do a little bit of front-end also. I'm a big football fan. Before starting up, let me do some traveling with you so that you guys get the context. Can somebody tell me what is this? Which logo is this? Yeah, please. Great. So it's Grunt.js. So it was a task runner, JS task runner. So we have to write configurations with plugins so that we can do all kind of minification, bundling, testing, tooling, linting, everything. So we had to maintain a grunt file for this. Then came Gulp. So Gulp was pretty much faster because it used node streams. They had a very different approach because they preferred code over configuration. So you have to write JavaScript functions to all those tasks you wanted to do. Then something came Webpack. It was superb because with just minimal configuration, you could achieve almost all the tasks. But what's the problem here? So I read this on Reddit. So I went to an online JavaScript hackathon, and by morning I could only figure out the build process. So you can understand the problem, I guess. So there comes PARCEL. So PARCEL was launched recently by Devon in December. So it's blazing fast zero-config web application bundler. So you really do not need any configuration to get started with this. So how do you install it? You can just do yarn add PARCEL bundler or do an npm install. I've installed it globally, so let's do some magic. So this is my project folder, which I was actually working in when I was in college. So it had a Webpack config file. I have deleted it. Let me just try out with PARCEL. So I have already installed PARCEL. So PARCEL takes an entry file. It can be a JS file, or a HTML file, or a CSS file. So let me take my index.html file as an entry file. So since you can see the server has started running on 1234 port, let me just open that. So it's still loading. I think it'll take around 2-3 more seconds. So you can see it was built in 26 seconds. I think the color is not good, right? So let me just change it. So as you can see, now it is built in 16 milliseconds, really fast, I guess. It has HMR, hot module replacement, so that for every change, you do not need to refresh your browsers. And since you can understand that it has a local dev setup also available, so server is already started. So let's get back to the slides, I guess. So what all PARCEL offers us? So it is really fast, as you can see that. It uses file system cache so that it is faster even after restarts. It has inbuilt support for all kind of JS files, CSS files, HTML files, so you do not need any plugins support for that. It supports zero config. It has zero config code splitting, which is PARCEL split your output into bundles so that whatever you need in your initial node, you'll only require that. It has HMR, as you can see. It has very friendly error logging method. It has a very customizable API also, so that if you do not want to use a CLI, you can directly use it. You can directly make your own bundler using PARCEL API. So what PARCEL API options are? There are quite a lot. I have just listed down 4. You can check it out. You can make your own bundler. So till now, I think we have only seen what development mode offers, what PARCEL offers in development mode. So let's say I have to build it and push it to production. So how will I do that? So I'll do this PARCEL build. So what PARCEL build does is it will disable your watch mode. It will disable HMR. It will minify all your bundles. And let me serve it on Surge. For some of you who do not know Surge is a static file hosting service, which you can use it using CLI. By the way, Webpack also launched Webpack 4, so it has zero config, but I didn't use it here because it doesn't support Vue, I guess. I think I'll confirm it after the talk, but I guess it doesn't support Vue till now in zero configurations. I think it'll take some time since, okay. So this has been built. I think I'll host it. Great, it's done. Ta-da, it's hosted. It has all your bundled file. Thank you.